Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Menteri Rangba jong ka Jilau kondat kongkel sangma hakala singi ublay ka arpu atri unailar arajar arpuar. Ulapan pena bo on sa Kynthup lang ya ka Jingiapynbeit Hills Autonomous District Council hapo ka Regional Committee jong ka West Jingiapynbeit Hills District. Banyak tai sani bah halor ka Jingiapynbeit puat bat ka Sarkar Assam nagabenta ka Khanduli Psiar bat ka Block 1 hakawat ka Baar. Menteri Rangba ka Jilau lapan pena ya kani haka jingalang pen scam yo kurtong jong ka NPP na mau kaya constituency uba habahon dakar bala pelong da ka NPP West Jingiapynbeit Hills District haka snong mau kaya ukonrat sang mau lakular ru ba Sarkar kan sathaw ikilat kilinti pan penbait yo put sam nakabenta ki hinreu tuli ki jaka ki berang don hapdang ke jinga ka japut ki ba Kynthup ya ka Block 1 bat ka Block 2 ka Khanduli Psiar ka Langpi bat kiwe de.
In the next election in 2023. We have been here for a very long time. It's very hot. So I will not take too much of time. But I want to tell you that the people of Meghalaya have put faith in our government. The NPP has led this government in the past 4.5 years. And every day, when I wake up in the morning, I tell myself, and I pray to God, that He must guide me, give me the wisdom, and give me the strength to lead this state of ours, to give me the strength to make decisions that may not be the easiest decisions to take. And in the last 4.5 years, this NPP-led government has been taking decisions and working for the people like never before. Our MDC from Ramrai constituency had mentioned to you about the border issue. For 50 years, the people living in the borders have been suffering, not being able to sleep at night because they don't know who will come into their house in the middle of the night. Not being able to work peacefully because they're worried that tomorrow somebody from Assam police or some public from Assam will come and there will be a clash. And for the last 50 years, people living in the borders have been suffering and living in fear. And that is why this NPP-led government has decided that this must come to an end. People have given us the faith. God has given us this opportunity. And I assure you that we will not let your faith be betrayed. And no matter how difficult the decision to take up issues like the border issue have been for us and for the past governments, this NPP-led government will not shy away from solving the problem of border issue. And we have done it in the past 8-9 months. We have been able to sign an MOU for these 6 areas of differences. And I assure you that we will find a solution to Khanduli, to Psiar, to Block 1, Block 2, Destumria, Motuwar, Bordua, and all the other locations like Langpi, the locations that are left. This government will ensure that we find solution to the rest of the problems, including the areas of Khanduli and Psiar and Block 1. In the other areas in West Khasi Hills, it is the people's will that was supreme. The government of Meghalaya and government of Assam met the people, and we asked the public, what do you want? Do you want to be in Assam? Do you want to be in Meghalaya? And based on public's will, public's desire, Assam government also agreed to go by the people's will. I am sure, and I can assure you, that the same principle will apply in these areas also. And while we move forward in that, I can assure you that we will take the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council on board, so that they are also part of this committee, so that we are able to discuss and involve all the stakeholders while we move forward in finding a solution to this very, very complicated problem.